Hello everyone, welcome back to my VM channel. How many of you had the clarity of VM profile before joining any retail format? Some of you might had certain expectations from your VM roles and after joining the brand, you were taken by a shock because it's a totally different role. So, first of all, it's important for you to know the different retail formats and get a basic idea of what visual merchandisers do in these formats. That's what I will be sharing with you today. And there are five retail formats. Number one, department stores. Number two, specialty stores. Number three, supermarkets, followed by discount stores and e commerce. Let's get in details. Department stores sell a variety of products within a variety of departments. The idea is to create a one stop shop for the individuals, allowing them to purchase different items without visiting multiple stores. Lifestyle, Marks and Spencer, Zara, these are the example of department stores. And as a VM, you will be needed to operate these departments efficiently. Sometimes they are called category visual merchandisers also. And if you are strong in leadership and your VM skills, you might be given the whole store as a VM manager to lead. Number two is specialty stores. These stores attract a targeted audience focused on purchasing specific items. For example, if a person wants to buy menswear, then they will go to a shop like Arrow or any shop which is offering menswear. And if you're looking for sport items, then you might go to Adidas, Puma, and Nike. So these are the examples of specialty stores. And if you are working in these stores as a VM, you will have a chance of earning better salary compared to any other retail format. And here you will be learning about updated current trends and upcoming trends also. But the disadvantages of working in these stores that you will be restricted to learn one specific category. And in order for you to learn different categories, you might need to change the job to other brands. Now, number three, supermarkets. These stores typically focus on selling consumable goods and CPGs, consumer packaged goods. These goods are more of necessities than desires. Some supermarkets may also go beyond consumer goods, including anything from clothing, furniture, handheld appliances, etc. But they offer them as needed basis. The key benefits of working for supermarkets as a VM are that you will be working in a high volume store, which means high manpower or high workforce. This way, you will learn teamwork and time management better than any other retail format. Also, you will be able to build relationship with your customers because you will see many loyal customers in supermarkets, and that will somehow help you build your network. On the other side, there is downside towards working in supermarkets also. There will be probabilities of fluctuating work shifts, and there is more physical work in your job role as you will be displaying products on shelves and also executing any kind of promotion strategy will take time because of the size of the store. Okay, now moving to the discount stores, or we call them outlets as well. These stores aim to sell quality goods at lower than expected price. For example, Best Buy, factory outlets, Walmart, etc. Some of the supermarkets can also be considered as discount stores as they sell certain products on discount or lower price. These formats mainly focus on generating business based on price points. Also, they have quick inventory turnaround, or I would say product flow, due to the high sales volume. And because of that, the bar of maintaining the VM standards is lower compared to other stores or maybe specialty stores. That doesn't mean that as a VM, you will not strive to provide positive experience for your customers. The advantages to work in these formats is that you are more likely to earn commission on your salary because you will be mostly hitting your monthly targets. And also you will learn to build appealing display with minimum options available in color, size and style. And you will also become an expert in executing promotional events because mostly in these kind of formats you are always executing promotional strategies. But there are some disadvantages as well. You will have lack of exposure to current trends and you might struggle with maintaining standards because the customer shopping behaviors is way different than other kind of formats. Now, let's focus on the last retail format, which is e-commerce. These companies operate primarily online, if not entirely. For example, Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, etc. But the formats which we discussed earlier may also operate online. Working for these kind of formats will help you in becoming an expert in design software, for example, CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, or Adobe Illustrator, etc. And this kind of format will allow you the exposure to global consumer behaviors also. So you will be able to understand different customer behaviors and what exactly they like to shop. But the downside would be that you will have lack of field experience as you will be doing mostly virtual merchandising, which means you will be doing online merchandising using softwares. And you will have long working hours on system or computer. That might strain your eyes or your back. Okay, so after watching this video, you will be able to use these retail formats as filters to pick your VM profile, which is right for you. Alright, thank you for watching the video and do like and subscribe my channel for more updates. See you soon, stay safe and stay curious.